Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Shourab and you're watching Your Shourab. Today I'm bringing you an absolute game changer for your PC audio, an app that can your speakers or headphones to the next level. First thing first, head over to the Microsoft Store and search for FxSound. Just hit the install. It's completely free. Once the download is finished, I highly recommend restarting your computer for the best performance. Let's open the app and boom, you'll see a bunch of options like equalizer, effects and presets. Trust me, this thing tweaks your audio in a different way. Boosts the bass, sharpens the vocal and adds that audio like crispiness onto your sound. It literally feels like upgrading your speakers without buying new ones. Here you can also download bonus presets from website and export presets, import presets. Whether you are watching movies, gaming and just vibing your favorite songs, FxSound makes everything sound richer, deeper and more immersive. You will actually hear sounds you never noticed before. If you want your audio to go from basic to boom, definitely give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment if you notice the difference after installing. I've got more tech tricks coming your way, so stay tuned.